Cinematic shot of the massive ship at the harbor. Quick cut to the broken diesel pump. Mission: fix this ship's diesel pump. Missione: riparare la pompa diesel di questa nave. Loud ship horn, engine rumble. Fast motion of your team unscrewing bolts, removing grease, and dismantling the pump. Getting to work at the harbor. Metallic clanging, air wrench spinning, clinking tools. Close-up shots of the repair. Cleaning a valve, replacing a seal, or tightening a crucial part, finding the issue and replacing parts, squeaking metal, scraping, satisfying. Time-lapse of reassembly, the pump and mounting it back onto the ship's engine, reassembly. Will it work? Riassemblaggio.
Oh, masa. Ese boy anon ni age man on this could have brand new car.
Yeah, you see that? Did that boy inside? Well, fella don't know.
Thank you. Yes, Oh.
Italia